When it comes to summative assessments, how should teachers make use of them in the classroom? In this video, we focus on summative assessments, their connections to learning, and how best to use them in any classroom. Summative assessments in the online classroom. The online learning environment makes access easier to finding answers to questions. Methods of assessments need to change. This is one struggle online teachers seem to have little to no control over. Teachers in the online classroom found that they had less control as to what their students are doing while being online. So when they ask a question, how can they be sure this question will be shared with others through their mobile phones to help get answers to questions? So the question remains, how should summative assessments change in the online classroom? The answer is to have more open-ended, cumulative tasks over traditional questions such as multiple choice, matching, or fill in the blanks. Open-ended questions are harder to cheat from than closed-ended questions. Some examples of summative tasks that can replace traditional test questions in the online classroom include presentations, writing essays, or giving short answers. In the end, if students are going to cheat, they will try regardless if it's in the in-person classroom or in the online classroom. In order to minimize this from happening in either classroom, teachers need to emphasize to students the consequences for anyone caught cheating before beginning the actual assessments. For more on teachers and teaching strategies from EduKitchen Recipes for Learning, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. EduKitchen would like to hear from you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below on this video and how best to assess students in the classroom. And until next time, keep learning and have fun. Thanks for watching.